Wow, this food tasted so comforting. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making simple homemade chicken stew served with soft brown chapati. I started by preparing my chicken so that it can continue cooking while I make the chapati. I wanted to make also white chapati for my people. I got the chicken from my farm, so you can be sure this is an indigenous chicken, and so I just wanted to boil it and add only onions, salt and coriander, just like that. And then I started preparing my dough for the white chapatis. I checked my chicken and it was going on well, so here I added some little oil and coriander leaves, and that's it. We just wanted it that simple for my people. And it was ready. So it was so delicious and so tasty. Now let's make the white chapati. I do cut my chapati in small pieces first, and then I roll them and start cooking, and that's why I see it. That's the way I see it simple for me. Now that one was the brown chapati, the same procedure, and now let's start rolling. And this is how I roll my chapati. One by one until all is rolled. So I'm done. Now let's cook the chapati. I'm going to start with the white one, and then after that I go to the brown chapati. I will cook one by one until I finish cooking the chapati. And I was the only one who wanted soup, so I prepared soup and cabbage for my people so that they can enjoy their fried chicken and soup and cabbage. And this is my first one, and so I'm going to repeat the same procedure until I finish. Just look at this, so nice. And just like that, I'm done. Everything came together so beautifully and tasted so comforting. Look at that. That's my first chapati. The brown one. They are very soft and layered. Now, I'm the only person who wants chicken stew. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to put the oil on my pan and add my onions, cook until soft. Then I'm going to add my coriander stems and green peppers to cook until soft. Once soft, I'm going to add my spices. I'm using paprika, black pepper, salt for taste, and chicken stock. I'm going to add my tomatoes and carrots. I'm going to cook until soft and saucy. Now I'm going to add my chicken. And let it simmer until tender and delicious. Look at that. Looks delicious already. I'm adding some coriander leaves and let it simmer for some minutes. Then I serve myself. If not subscribed and you enjoyed my recipe, kindly subscribe. Let's grow this community strong together. Just look at that. So delicious. See you on the next one. Stay blessed.